about to turn it up.
Hello Gadget Mania, with me again, Indonesia. In this video I will discuss mobile phone especially for games. The newest one from the sub-brand Xiaomi, namely Black Shark, under the name Black Shark 4 series, which was released on March 30, 2021. Before we start, as usual, don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons so that I can be more excited about making the latest videos. Okay, I will immediately review the special gaming cell phone, the latest from the Xiaomi sub-brand, namely the Black Shark 4 series. Check this out. If you want to buy this Black Shark 4 series cell phone, it's not yet in Indonesia, and I recommended the Black Shark 3 cell phone. Its predecessor series with 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM, price start from 8 million thousand to 9 million thousand Indonesian rupiah. The following are the complete specification for Black Shark 3, including Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 5G chipset, which run on 7nm fabrication. Next, triple camera, rear camera, 64MP wide lens main camera, 13MP ultrawide lens, 5MP depth lens. Recording video is already 4K. Selfie camera, 20MP wide lens. Recording video is already 4K, selfie camera 20MP wide lens, screen type AMOLED 6.67 XDR 10+, 90Hz refresh rate, screen brightness up to 500 nits, and there is an always on display feature. Battery for 1720 mAh and 65 watts. Fast charging, and you can get this cell phone in e-commerce online shops in Indonesia such as Shopee, Lazada, Bukalapak, JD, Tokopedia, and Belum. If interested, I have prepared the purchase link in the description of this video. The latest dedicated gaming smartphone from the Xiaomi sub-brand with the name Black Shark 4 series. There are two variants, namely Black Shark 4 and Black Shark 4 Pro. A review of specification and price and their comparison. And the Black Shark 4 and Black Shark 4 Pro gaming cell phones will be announced on March 10, 2021 and will be released in early April 2021. And I started from the performance section. The Black Shark 4 uses a chipset from Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 5G, which runs in 7nm fabrication with an octa-core 3.2 GHz processor, as well as the GPU Adreno 650, and paired with a stable RAM that is 6GB, 8GB to 12GB, with internal store with USB 3.1 technology with a capacity of 128GB and 256GB. As for the Black Shark 4 Pro. In the performance section, it uses a chipset from Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, which runs an 5nm fabrication faster than the Blackshare 4, with a 2.84 GHz octa-core processor, along with a GPU Adreno 660, which is paired with a RAM with LPDDR5 technology of 8GB, 12GB, and 16GB. Wow! With internal storage with UFS 3.1 technology, a large node capacity 256GB and 512GB is a big enough for playing games on the screen, but Blackshare 4 and Blackshare 4 Pro use the same AMOLED TV screen with a screen size of 6.7 inch with a quick Layar, and also related to play games and watch YouTube with a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz and XDR turn place features. The screen brightness also reaches 1300 nits with a resolution 2400 by 1080 pixels with a screen protection from high-end Corning Gorilla Glass pictures. And on the front there is Selfie Kamera in the shape of pencil, which is located right at the top. Both the Blackshare 4 and Blackshare 4 Pro have a wide lens 20 megapixel camera resolution. And for the cell phone design, the back of the cell phone is very cool, especially for games. There is a Blackshare symbol in an X-shaped image, as well as a V that can light up in the green and blue. And the front of the vertically aligned rear camera, both Blackshare 4 and Blackshare 4 Pro both adopt a triple camera. There is only a difference in camera resolution. For Blackshare 4, the main camera is 48 megapixel with lens resolution. The second camera is 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens, 120 degrees, and the third camera is a 5 megapixel macro lens. As for the Blackshare 4 Pro with a 64 megapixel wide lens main camera, a second camera 8 megapixel with ultra-wide lens 120 degrees, and third camera 5 megapixel with macro lens. And both Blackshare 4 and Blackshare 4 Pro have LED displays, and for video recording it reaches 4K at 30 frames per second on the battery. Both the Blackshare 4 and Blackshare 4 Pro are equipped with a 4500 mAh battery with a very large fast charging of 120 watts. For charging up to 100%, it only takes 17 minutes. This is the fastest, and this for the Blackshare 4. Blackshare 4 Pro is even faster to charge up to 100%. It only takes 15 minutes. It's crazy fast. So there is no need to worry about running out of battery to play games. There are only 4 colors choice for Blackshare 4, namely Magic Black, Blue, and Silver. For Blackshare 4 Pro only has 3 color choice, namely Black, Dark Blue, and Silver. For the size or dimension of these two phones, are the same for the length and width, and as seen on the screen with a thickness of 10.3 millimeters with a weight of 238 grams. The next series of other features from these two mobile units, both Blackshare 4 and Blackshare 4 Pro, namely the network is 5G, Dolby Wi-Fi 6, stereo speaker, the SIM use an active dual SIM nano SIM or one SIM without an external memory slot, NFC or near field communication, the USB data cable is Type-C 2.0, Bluetooth 5.2, and they open the screen using the fingerprint system on the right side of the cell phone body, and there is a face sensor. There is an RGB light panel in the form of the Blackshare logo on the back of the cell phone body. In the physical pop-up, gaming triggers, special button for playing left and right games. And here are the price for the Blackshare 4 cell phone, consisting of 4 variants, namely the first variant with a 8GB RAM, 128GB rate in America, it costs $383 United States or equivalent of 5,500,000 Indonesian rupiah. The second variant with a 8GB RAM, 128GB rate in America is priced at 415 United States dollar, or the equivalent of 6,000,000 Indonesian rupiah. The third variant with a 12GB RAM, 128GB rate in America is priced at 460 United States dollar, or the equivalent of 6,800,000 Indonesian rupiah. The fourth variant with a 12GB RAM and 256GB rate in America in price 505 United States dollar, or equivalent to 7,300,000 Indonesian rupiah. As for the price, the Blackshare 4 Pro mobile phone has only 3 variants, namely the first variant with 8GB RAM, 256GB rate in America is priced at 615 United States dollar, of the equivalent of 8,900,000 Indonesian rupiah. The second variant with 12GB RAM and 256GB rate in America is priced at 690 US dollar, or the equivalent 10,000,000 Indonesian rupiah. The third variant with a 16GB RAM, 512GB rate in America is priced 815 United States dollar, or the equivalent of 11,800,000 Indonesian rupiah. There is no information regarding global release including Indonesia. There is further information about this cell phone. The plan will be released globally, including in Indonesia. I will make a video update. Hopefully it will be useful. Finally, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons so that I can be more excited about making the next videos. See you in the next video. Thank you. Greeting Gadget Mania.